This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Mercedes Pinzon. Beautiful 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home located in an HOA-free community. This home is just minutes away from Moon Lake Park, which offers a public boat ramp and beach. A perfect spot to take out your toys. This property is seated on an oversized lot, almost half an acre lot. Roof 2018, AC 2017, 2019 new deep well and pump. Remodeled master bath and secondary bathroom. Plenty of room to entertain in the large family room with knotty pine cathedral ceilings, and French doors. This could be perfect for an investor, or it could be a great investment if it's your first home. The house has a split plan, and the master bedroom with its master bath, main kitchen, and kitchen eating area is currently rented. The other part of the house, which has a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom, a living room with a fireplace, and a dining room with an extra kitchen, is owner occupied. This property could be a great starter for investors looking for passive income. For more information,